Hey, welcome back to my new video. I'm glad to have you all here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on a 2011 Dodge Journey with a 3.6 liter engine. And before we get started, make sure to remove the negative terminal battery using a 5 to 8 inch socket or a 16mm socket if that's what you have. At this moment, we'll be going underneath the vehicle to remove the old sensor. Be sure to have your vehicle lifted up and fully secured with some jack stands. The sensor is located at the driver's side. To remove the old sensor, you'll be needing a 10mm size ratcheting wrench, and also you'll be needing some lights. You can also get a flashlight or similar like mine or whatever you have to see underneath. So at this moment, I'll be crawling underneath the vehicle. In your case, be very careful. As I had mentioned earlier, the sensor is located from that angle where I'm pointing the flashlight to where the exhaust pipe comes down, and you'll be seeing in a few seconds. And finally, we have located the sensor, and that's what you see over there. And first things first, we'll be removing the 10mm size screw before removing the connector that will have extra play. And now, as everything has been removed, we'll be installing the brand new part in a second. And now, after the sensor has been clipped to its connector, we'll be screwing it back to its place. And finally, we have finished. We have the brand new part installed and we're ready to go. And now, once the sensor has been installed, we'll connect the battery again using the same process. And thank you guys for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video.